Hi crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today we'll be talking about cartridges. Okay, we'll go over the types of cartridges. The first type of cartridge is your boxed cartridge. And boxed all have two things in common. They all come with the spiral bound handbook, and the boxed ones all have six feature keys. So we'll talk about the keypad here. The keypad has 5 rows by 10 rows of white keys, and those are going to be your characters or images. And each key has 2. One image is in black, and then the other is in gray. To get the gray image, you would use your shift key, which is down here in this corner here, or your shift lock. Okay, these are usually the most expensive, but they can have up to 700 images on one cartridge. So they all come with the keypad, they come with your book, and of course they come with the cartridge. So of the boxed cartridges, the peach ones are fonts, and they can have 1 to 7 different font per cartridge, this particular cartridge. The shape cartridges are the light blue ones. They are usually theme related characters that coordinate with each other. Some also include a font. So solutions. Solutions don't come in a box. They have an image pamphlet. So here's your pamphlet. Oops. So your pamphlet is usually the 3-fold item. So they come with the pamphlet, they come with your keypad, and of course they'll come with the cartridge that comes with those. They usually only have 2 feature buttons, so you can see here the 2 feature buttons, and the other 4 are blank. And let's see, they're usually more or less expensive, of course, than the boxed one. Okay, then you have your seasonal, and those are limited editions. They come out usually quarterly, and this here that shows you what it cuts. And let me find here's Thanksgiving. The Thanksgiving one, see, it doesn't even have any feature buttons. So all you get are these. Anyway, so that's those are the least expensive of the cartridges. So that's basically the different types of cartridges. And of course now you can do all of this stuff digitally. We'll get into that in some future videos, but this is your basic cartridges. Oh, I forgot this one. This is a newer one, an image set. Comes with this little box. Comes with a little spiral book. I actually like these. And your cartridge. Does not come with a keypad. These come, it shows you right here which key it is. And so you just color code it, and that's, you don't need that key overlay. So that's another one. So okay, that should get you started. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at SaleHandmadeProducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.